Hi. Wow. Okay, we have someone from Michigan, USA. Someone from Davao. Wow. Hello, everyone. Wow, we have someone from Leyte, Mactan, Cebu. Brazil. Wow. Thank you so much for joining this live. Okay, LU, Bacolod City, Hong Kong, New Zealand. Wow, V Luna, Quezon City, Silang Cavite, Melbourne. Wow. Wherever you're tuning in from in the world, welcome. Thank you so much for joining this live. I really just wanted to go live because I have an upcoming yoga and meditation class this Saturday at 7 a.m. here in Manila. So for any of you who would like to join, it is going to be the last class for this month. It is at M Studio in Magallanes. So M Studio Magallanes, 7 a.m. The class is around 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Please join us. The class will be Yoga for Life. Yoga for Life. So this class will be focusing on side stretches. You know, we want to be able to stretch out the body, take out those tight spots, release any stuck energies. I will not be doing it live online, but it is going to be in person, and we have very limited slots. So join us by visiting the link in my bio. Yung yoga, yes, we have 2 boys joining the class. Yoga pwede rin ba sa boys? Of course. We have 2 men joining the class. Hi, Tita Chiki. Thank you for being here. It was nice to see you today. Yes, it's okay to join even if you're a first timer, because all of our classes are actually beginner friendly, because I attract a lot of first time yoga practitioners. I make sure to design the class to make it very gentle and slow, so that we don't rush and we don't force our bodies into any poses that we can't do, and then it will result in injuries, right? So you can join even if you're not flexible. This is a misconception when it comes to yoga. People think that if they're not flexible, that yoga is not for them. This is actually not true. Yoga is for everyone, whether you're flexible or not, because the more you practice yoga, the more you will become flexible. So that is the point. We are working our way towards becoming more flexible, not just in the body, but also in the mind. We want to be more open. We want to be more flexible. We want to surrender more. Because in our minds, we think that we have to be a certain way, or life has to be a certain way, and we're not flexible. We're not open to whatever the universe gives to us, because we already have ideas in our minds. We already have expectations. We have already set our expectations. So when life doesn't go our way, guess what happens? We get frustrated. We get disappointed. So that's why it's important to practice yoga and meditation, so that you can train yourselves to be flexible, not just in the body, but especially in the mind. Flexible with your emotions. That it means that you can just be open and you let it all flow freely. We don't hold on. We don't control. We are actually surrendering. So that is what we are doing. So please join. Even if you're a first timer, even if you've never tried yoga and meditation, this is the perfect class for you. So please join us by visiting the link in my bio. The class for Saturday is Yoga for Life. So we will be focusing on side stretches, We will be stretching the body, and we will be raising our vibration. So these are the things that we will be doing. Meditating. So this is an in-person class. If you just gave birth 5 months ago, I suggest that you take yoga for prenatal and postnatal. So there are classes on YouTube, and I suggest doing those classes first, especially if you just gave birth. So I'm also certified to teach prenatal and postnatal classes, but I'm not offering that at the moment. So if you can, practice first online or look for a prenatal teacher. I would highly recommend one of my favorite teachers in Manila, Ana Manalastas. Ana is one of my favorite yoga teachers. She is amazing. She also teaches yoga for pregnancy. So please, of course, may bayad, te. Tinatanong niya, may bayad, te? Of course, may bayad. Porket artista, palaging lahat libre, ano? Okay lang po ba mag-yoga ang medyo mataba like me? Yes, yoga is for all body types. And I want you to know you are beautiful. Any size or shape that you are beautiful because you are a child of God and God makes no mistakes. You are beautiful. Please join our class. Have I ever experienced anxiety every day? Oh my God, are you kidding me? I experience anxiety almost every day, and that's why I meditate. I meditate a lot. Hey Max, Ella here. Met you as a kid at Cinco Hermanos. Wow! Hi Ella. Nice to see you here again. Cinco Hermanos is where my family and I used to live before when my dad was still alive. $7 a.m. Our last class this month is 7 a.m. Saturday, June 29 at M Studio Magallanes. I'm actually thinking of holding classes next month, Saturday, but in the afternoon. Would you guys prefer that more than a morning class? Maybe you can answer it in the comments below. At ano po bang ibig sabihin kapag hindi ka nire-replyan online or sa text? Ibig sabihin hindi sila interesado. So you just have to accept that, move on, and let go. Ganun lang talaga yun. You have to look at the signs and listen to the signs of the universe. You can't change it and look at it the way that you want it to be. Kapag hindi nagre-reply, pag hindi namamansin, simple, ibig sabihin hindi interesado. Kaya wag na nating ipilit. 'Di ba? Kasi tayo lang yung mahihirapan. 7 to 8:30 or 8:45. 7 a.m. until 8:30 to 8:45. Okay, so next. Yes, all my yoga classes are very helpful for lower back pain because we do all slow and mindful, gentle movements. So that's why it's like a massage for your body. But you will still sweat. You will still sweat a little. Yay! Okay. We have Jerome joining the class. Just click the link in my bio. You will be joining 2 other guys who are joining our classes weekly. And we had 5 classes this month actually, every Saturday. And this Saturday is the last class happening at 7 a.m. At M Studio Magallanes. Yoga for Life. Please register by visiting the link in my bio, or I also posted the link in my stories. So you can just check it out there. I really hope that you can join us so that you can learn for yourself on how this practice can make you feel more connected to yourself. And it makes you feel more grounded and more safe. instead of always being stuck in our minds, stuck with that anxious energy. We want to release that energy, and so we can feel safer in our bodies. So please join us for our last yoga and meditation class this month, happening this Saturday, June 29 at 7 a.m. The class is about 1 to 1.5 hours long. You just have to bring your yoga mat, your journal, your water tumbler, and you're good. M Studio Magallanes. The class is 1,111 pesos. 1111. So please join us. Visit the link in my bio, and we hope to see you there. Bye!